If you are a graphic designer spending hours on tasks that AI can finish in a minute, this video is for you. Before using AI, this type of design used to take me a long time and sometimes extra cost. I mean this one. But now, I can complete it much faster and finish much tasks within a short time and left me enjoying my career. Now before we get started, I can't wait to be grateful for the huge support to this channel that you still show up and let me use this time to insist those who are not subscribed my channel to subscribe and get inspired of my weekly tutorial that I have been dropping. Now let us get started. I prepared a design and after finished, it is when the idea of using AI to get a good presentation that carried the theme of the design started. I mean the idea of having this design and this one and this one. Therefore, I requested AI to give a prompt about this design presentation, and this is a prompt that AI gives me, and I took this prompt to Google Image FX to generate a mock-up presentation.
Note that I am using a free AI vision that you don't need to pay anything from the scratch to the final result. I mean ChatGPT to Google Image FX that I used to generate this mockup. If you want more than this quality, you need to pay. Now let us continue.
Now make sure you check the size and aspect ratio, and here be careful with where your design will take place, whether it says social media, YouTube, and so forth. So make sure you choose the aspect ratio according. And check some errors for a good result in terms of text inclusion. Make sure it is excluded if there is no necessary. Check it carefully. And if you are finished, generate. Boom. Select your favorite. In case you are not satisfied, regenerate and download it. And let us go to Photoshop to create a mockup. Now this is a Photoshop panel. Let us start to create a mockup for our design. Then go to one magic tool and select the object. Adjust your selection accordingly. Then if you are finished, go to Object, select it and Ctrl J to duplicate it and mask it at the same time. And go to Rectangle tool, create a rectangle by using this dimension. And here be careful because the size of the mockup depending to the size of your design. So I'm using this because it follows the guideline of our design. Then press OK. Go to rectangle, select it and convert to smart object. Reduce opacity and distort the transform. Be careful and follow the process.
Remember, the goal is not to replace designer, but to help us save time, reduce workload, and focus more on creativity. Add your opacity. Go to Smart Object, double click, go to Files, press your design. Then adjust your design to fit your rectangle. Then save and go back to previous direction or previous design to check your design. Then finish these few steps. So that is how I used AI to make a graphic design easier and faster. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with other designers. Comment below if you want more AI and graphic design tutorials, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you and see you until next time. My name is Boniface and here is my Cambo Creatives.